Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to digitize your handwritten signature without using Photoshop. It's quick and easy. First, write your signature on a piece of paper and take a photo of it. Then, go to the website www.artlogo.co/sign. Scroll down and click on Scan Your Signature. And here is the tool. Click Choose File and upload the photo of your signature. Then, click Select Background and tap on the background of your image. The background removal process will start automatically. It may take a few moments. Once it's done, you can adjust the thickness of the signature. You can also change the color. Let's make it blue. You can even crop it if needed. When you're ready, click the arrow icon to download your signature. Now your digital signature is ready to use. Let's open a document and apply it. Just drag your signature into the document, adjust its position, and it's done.
If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to turn on notifications for our upcoming videos. Next time, we'll show you how to digitize your company's stamp.